In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneDrive files using Gmail, simplifying the process and helping you collaborate with others more effectively. Sharing files between these two platforms is straightforward once you know the steps, so let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to OneDrive. Once you're there, sign in to your account if you haven't already. This will bring you to your OneDrive homepage where you can see all your folders and files stored in the cloud. It's a good practice to use a secure and up-to-date browser to ensure the best performance and security. Now, choose the file or folder you want to share. You can easily do this by browsing through your OneDrive or using the search bar if your OneDrive is loaded with files. When you've located the right file or folder, hover your cursor over it for a few seconds. You'll notice a few icons appear next to it. Click on the one that looks like a chain or a link, which is the Share button. This button is your gateway to sending your files or folders to anyone you desire. Clicking it will open a new window or sidebar with sharing options. In this sharing window, you'll see several options. Typically, you can enter the email address of the person you want to share with directly into the provided field. For this tutorial, we are focusing specifically on sharing via Gmail. Here, you can type the recipient's Gmail address. Make sure to double-check the email address is correct to avoid sending it to a wrong recipient. Before you send the file, you might want to configure some permission settings. You'll often see an option to choose between Can Edit and Can View. Make sure to select the one that best fits the recipient's required access level. If the file requires collaboration, Can Edit is the way to go. If you just want them to see the document, then select Can View. Once you've set the permissions and added the recipient's email, look for the Send button. Click on it, and a link to the OneDrive file will be sent directly to their Gmail inbox. This method not only shares the file, but also ensures privacy and security since only the specified person receives the link. As an additional tip, if you're collaborating with teams or multiple people, consider using a shared folder instead of individual files. Also, always remember to keep your OneDrive and Google accounts secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication if possible. And there you have it, a seamless way to share OneDrive files using Gmail. If you follow these steps, you'll be effectively sharing files in no time, fostering better communication and collaboration. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.